Hi, good morning, this is Shakur. I'm just sending forward to this video to send to other people so that they can help me, the chocolate man, the tiki man.
Blessed people, so this video with Shakur has been circulating. Shakur showing how bad him living condition is. Yeah, and he must seek help. Yeah, so a lot of things that go around on social media. People I wonder if this is a scam of some sort or things. It just look sketchy for some people. As you can see, so I think there's something fishy about the Shakur story. You see me? But it turned out to be a real thing. So the angel turn out and check for yourself to see if a real thing the youth did attack. Now pre the video, people.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's him, the gentleman saw and send the video. So he was selling chocolate and stuff and things. You can't have Shakur.
No, but me get the story already, but I am here. But come down here to see the real thing. You understand? Because a lot of things are out there in the media. And
yeah, that's why I said too much of the video team I don't include
and
no
if
more.
me they follow that, it will distract me. I'm going to come down here.
Yeah, because
understand? Because people tear me down too.
So
And,
you know
and
what
I saw the story
yes.
and I just decided I'm just going to come and just do what I can do with the goodness of my heart.
Yes,
Understand the message?
God will bless you.
See the place, yeah? I'm coming going there.
Ah, yeah, right. Where am I talking about?
And this is the place, and this is the grandma.
Yeah.
See the place, yeah? Peter? See the place, yeah?
Because my son called me and my bash about me make people come in here and a bash and people come
I can bring it to the box, yeah? So this are food supplies. See me? It's a food supplies, all these things in there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, God bless you.
That's a half bag of rice.
Alright.
Your rice there?
Yeah, man.
Some of the response that people want to say. Anything we do have to do with the goodness of my heart. Make God be the judgment. Make God be the judgment.
Yeah, people, so I want to think about the angel kind gesture in helping out young Shakur in this livity way I go through right now. I wonder if some people are going to come out and bash the angel like how them bash Spice for donate 50,000. I have to send a little donation to people, so whoever can do the same, just help out the youth, because every dollar count. Yeah, people. On the other hand, we have Mackerel out in Canada. Enjoy yourself. I go on with a bag of things. So, I want to see what I go on for yourself, people. So as you can see, people, Mackerel bring her liveliness gone to Canada, gonna go lively up the place, and you don't know that a Mackerel style, the confidence, it just shine, you see me? So that's why enough of the people them love Mackerel same way. Even though she a talk about take your man and she go to Canada, still a talk about take your man. Yeah, man. So it look like Mackerel 1 minute fame I go over a minute, so make us see where Mackerel can go on with. Yeah, people.
Tell them.
Canada, fire take people man, clap your hand. Fire take people man, clap your hand. Fire take people man, I know fire proud. Fire take people man, clap your hand. Fire take people man, say amen.
Amen.
Fire take people man, say amen.
Amen.
Fire take people man, I know that the wrong. Fire take people man, say amen.
Amen.
Fire take people man, you're not shame.
No shame.
Fire take people man, you're not shame.
Not at all.
Oh, fire take people man, sharp.
Yo, people. Yeah, and we have General Bounty Killa. Yeah, from where the other general seem like he must send some real serious subliminal messages to Iyara. Yeah, and this is one of the posts them on Masicka Killa make. If you don't think Just Facts are overthink the thing, you say it straight, people. Just Facts they are overthink the thing, you see me? Yeah, but it's so ironic that Killa posts this during this time. You see me? Are you sure you're not the weapon formed against yourself, causing you not to prosper? I want a serious message that Killa put out, You see me? And you look into it, people. It's like Killa say, the actions them we have put out, it you kill yourself with, it you fight yourself with, and you blame other people. You see me? Yeah. And Killa never stop there. So Killa drop another one. Killa go 48 laws of power and drop the first law. Never outshine the master.
Never go against the master. Never go against the teacher.
So right there, Bounty I try to teach Iyara saying break the first rule for outshine the master. We see this work for a lot of people same way. Them outshine the master and I do great same way. So it depends on if you have the greatness in you. You see me I say?
Them no got no love in them heart, I me see. Hypocrite just asking them to.
Who wanna boss to me, who wanna think that me living on me, who wanna skin. No give up on more people. People are pussy since lately. I mean I want no hypocrite real.
So Iyara go and do him own way, and so far it look good. You see me I say, people, it sound good. And go and do your thing, Iyara. Tommy Lee Sparta show say him is also a platinum selling artist, people. For all our people who never know, Tommy Lee Sparta go platinum from 2017. And you can see it in the video, him talk about it and the song name Evil. Yeah.
Yo, I'm not to chat my crime them, you know. Boy, yo, I'm a platinum selling artist from 2017. You hear that? So I'm not to chat my crime them. Big up Bones and Raf Kamura. Yeah, man. Song called Evil. Yeah, man. Big up all family, all Germany. Now I'm myself platinum, man, from 2017. I'm not to load up my thing. You hear that? Yeah, man. Blacks.
Shenseea teams up with Jamaican producer Russian and international star Tiger. Instead of the Stars headline, Shenseea's Girl and Girl, you see me, sends the wrong message. Yeah, so obviously this big song where Shenseea are set for release right now, the people them anticipate it and should just come up with that thing there, I guess, for get more attention to the thing. You see me? So I don't really believe that Shenseea buy or Ray, whatever. The picture them no reveal that to me. Why Shenseea hand around the girl waist? Why it not up on her bottom? You see me I say? That kiss them we I see. I don't really want kiss. We not see nothing. Face, eye and beer things. You see me I say, people? So Shenseea just knock out against the star on the post there. And I say them can post it in a more positive light. Since them don't see what the outcome are gonna be, what it's all about. You see me I say, people? Yeah, man. So Shenseea and Tiger and Russian collaboration we have to go look out for. Blessed. What do you think about the picture though, viewers and subscribers? Do you think Shenseea go too far? Do you think the picture too outrageous? You think as the star say really I send a wrong message? Comment down below, tell me your thoughts on that. And we have to share that little meme thing here, that little joke thing here, that little meme thing here we are going out there right now with Shenseea and the girl. That one here, Nick Turati.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away.
Look how Ramesh face look, man. Like the man I say, what is going on in my bed?
You were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
So Ramesh I say, I'm take with myself from all of this slackness, all of this. You see me I say? All of a sudden.
So we are behind the scenes of Blessed video shoot. Tiger in Jamaica. Shenseea.
Russian are one of the most successful producer them out of Jamaica. In a fame young age right now. You see me I say, people? Yeah, and we have to commend Russian on that, on the great job we him do. All of the great collaboration them with Vybz Kartel and all of the other big artists them too, other great artists them. You see me? So every bit of success for Russian earn him deserve it. And right now, right here, so you can see Russian own up him Rolls Royce truck. You see me? Him RR truck. Yeah. So big up to Russian for all of the big song them we put out. Keep doing it, yo. Just know so the people them anticipate the new song here with Shenseea. Can't wait for hear it drop like a bomb. Talking about dropping like a bomb, people, I want to check out the artist and name Nakis God. You look him up on IG and look for him on YouTube. KNAKKIS. God, Knockis God. Yeah, people, the artists here are very high potential. Right now, the man just kind of remind me of Vybz Kartel and Masicka in one package. Yeah, man, people. No pre-war go and tell me no thoughts. Tell me if you don't agree with me, if you don't think him bad. If you don't think it lame, you don't tell me straight up. Just facts. You know I feel it. But I know I'm not going to love it same way, people. Pray.
I can. Who they buy my right hand? No slaughterer. So, anybody decide now this them a go run up somebody a fill it down anytime me gun turn up. Boy skin a bubble like soup till it's up. Clarty rifle from the moon till it's sun up. Anyway him turn a boop in a head. Boop in a your stomach. Clarty, boop in a head. Boop in a your stomach. Anyway you move come me gonna turn there. Boop could they watch his him like a runway. Everybody a pack up, everybody a run way. When the rifle a beat like a kete drum there. I say you run the place that you should make your tongue say. Boop again, watch his pen shell a jump way. I saw my boss, my gun from Sunday to Sunday. You see me and I can die, you saw you fun there. Watch out. Me split long, me clip long. Soft like cushion in the rubber grip and one bag of lip in a baba do lick and pass me the SK, me launch a quick bomb. So me go fi kill you fast with the quick hand. See the grim that the hit man, no lick man. And two in a them blood clutches. And then we go studio, Vice I put it in my hit.